members of the family, what we called in German. Okay. Der Vater, die Mutter, and one more thing, German language is gender specific. That is why we are using article with that nomen. Okay. So der Vater, die Mutter, der Sohn, die Töchter, der Großvater. Now I will teach you in English also. Der Vater means father. Die Mutter means mother. And please repeat after me. This pronunciation is very important in German speaking part. If you have any doubts in pronunciation, then let me know in the comment section. Okay? So der Vater means father, die Mutter mother, der Sohn means son, die Töchter daughter, der Großvater grandfather, die Großmutter grandmother, der Onkel uncle, die Tante means aunt.